let's have our first example. So we have to determine the number of real solution of each quadratic equation. So here we have 16x squared minus 8x plus 1 equals 0. So first things first is to identify if that is in standard form. And that is already in the standard form. And we get to find the a, b, and c. These are the coefficients. The a would be 16, this one. 8, negative 8 yung b natin. And c would be 1. And we get to use the discriminant formula. So we have b squared minus 4ac. So ito yung nasa quadratic formula natin, right? So we have to identify, or we have to use this one, plugging in the coefficients. So we all the b squared, or the b would be negative 8 quantity squared minus 4 times a, which is 16, times c will have positive 1. Okay? So simplify natin si negative 8 squared, that is 64, positive 64. Negative 4 times 16 times 1 is negative 64 as well. Okay, so we have minus 64 there. And we get to simplify this one. 64 minus 64 is 0. So the discriminant would be equal to 0. Now, so what is our final analysis here? So our final, because the discriminant, let me use this symbol as because, okay? Because the discriminant, okay, discriminant, or sometimes I use D na lang, no, is 0, the equation has only one real solution. So this is our final analysis. Dahil ang discriminant natin ay 0, ang equation na to ay maglalabas lang ng isang real solution. If you want to check it, you can use the formula, apply this quadratic equation, and you will find only one real solution. So this is the great way to identify what kind of solution or what kind of method that we need to use using this particular method. Okay, so now number 2, or letter B.